Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable call recording without announcement on any Vivo phone. Now, if you receive a call on your smartphone or if you do a call with your smartphone, just like that. Now, if you want to record this call,
इस कॉल की अब रिकॉर्डिंग हो रही है।
it will announce that it has started call recording. Now, if you want to disable this feature, just go to your home screen and open the Play Store app. Now, in the search bar, just search TTSLexx. Now, just install this app on your smartphone. Now, it will take a few seconds to download this app on your smartphone, and once this app is fully downloaded, just tap on Open. From here, just tap on Preferred Engine. Now, instead of speech recognition and synthesis from Google, just select TTSLexx. Now, just tap on OK. And once you have done that, just go back and tap on Play. From here, just go to your home screen and tap and hold on the dialer app. Now, just tap on App Info. From here, just tap on Storage and Cache. Now, just tap on Clear Storage. Now, just tap on Delete. And once you have done that, just go to your home screen. Now, from here, if you do a call with your smartphone or if you receive a call on your smartphone, just like that. And if you want to start call recording, it will not announce that it has started call recording, just like that. And this is how you can enable call recording without announcement on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.